Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2022 Toyota RAV-4 XSE Prime. I have driven a Prime before this, but I could not really... It was an awful route to drive. It was just highway. It didn't spotlight anything. Wow, that's actually a good amount of room in here. Here's your charging. Speaking of, I have the vehicle in charge mode. That's why it's running. Heated rear seats in a RAV-4. That's the whole thing with this car. Everything, I'm sitting there, this is a RAV-4. This was, for years, just ordinary transport. It's like, oh, you want an SUV? Yeah, just get a RAV-4. It'll work. Heated seats. Let's see. Yeah, this is a RAV-4 with over 300 horsepower. 302 combined, to be exact. These are just cool. So, of course, you have EV mode, hybrid vehicle mode. You hold this button to get into charge mode. So you have paddle shifters, sport. This is cool. Let's go for a drive. Yeah, you're gonna have CVT noise, whatever. You know, driving with the radio on, I could barely hear it. Especially, you know, I'm in charge mode, so the gas engine won't shut off. Figured if I'm driving it, why not charge it? Oh, regenerative braking are a great thing. The whole time I'm driving this, I'm like, this is a RAV-4. This isn't what RAV-4s used to be. RAV-4s were just meh. This is good. I mean, that has some serious get up and go. 300 horsepower. Guys, keep in mind, back in the 60s, 300 horsepower, that was a muscle car. You know, 400 horsepower, oh man, you got something that will really put a hurting on some cars. This is a 300 horsepower and a Toyota RAV-4 hybrid. Whoa. That's genuinely quick. Man. That's impressive. I didn't think I'd like a RAV-4 this much. Ooh, long day. This is a RAV-4 I genuinely enjoy driving. And it's quick in ways that make sense for this. It's not like, oh my gosh, too quick to have fun with this thing. No, it's not. Oh, it's not too much power. Whereas my Hellcat is way too much power. This is quick in ways that will make this a better SUV. So for example, I'm doing 30 miles an hour. Oh, alright, need to pass on a 2-lane. There's 50. So that 30 to 50 is just quick. And it's not quick for a RAV-4. It's genuinely quick. Is it quick in the context of what we have today for cars? No, it's not a GT500. It's not a Hellcat. But it's quick in ways that will make this a very, very fun car to live with for those buying it. You know, the base RAV-4 with this 2.5 that's not mated to the hybrid system, it's relatively quick. It's not knock your socks off quick. This one is like, ooh, okay, this is pretty quick. Notice how I'm not saying fast. This is quick, not fast. Fast refers to top end speed. This quick refers to acceleration. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.